What happens to your body when you wake up without an alarm? Your alarm may be damaging your sleep cycle. Here's what happens when you start waking up naturally every morning. Day 1. You may sleep longer. Your body catches up on rest. Day 3. Wake up becomes gentler. No jarring noise. Week 1. Sleep quality improves. REM cycles lengthen. Week 2. Morning mood improves. Cortisol stays balanced. 1 month. Your body runs on its natural clock. Energy lasts all day. Waking up without an alarm isn't lazy, it's biological optimization. Like, follow for sleep upgrades.